Hello and welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Walsey. Today we are going to learn how to draw a vibrant goldfish in a bowl. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, follow along and let's create this colorful piece together. We will start by sketching the outline of the fish bowl. Draw a large oval shape to represent the bowl, making sure to keep the lines light so you can adjust them later if needed. Add a slight curve at the top to indicate the bowl's opening. Next, let's draw the goldfish. Begin with an oval shape for the body, positioned slightly off center within the bowl. From there, add a triangular shape for the tail, extending it outwards with fluid, wavy lines to give it a sense of motion. Draw the fins using similar wavy lines, ensuring they look delicate and flowing. Once we have the basic shapes in place, it's time to add details. Draw the goldfish's eyes as small circles and add a line for the mouth if you want. Use curved lines to indicate the scales on the body, starting from the head and working your way back. For the fins and tails, for the fins and tail, draw parallel lines to show the fin rays. Now let's focus on the water and background. Draw a horizontal line near the top of the bowl to indicate the water level. You can add some bubbles and reflections to give the water a realistic appearance. With the sketch complete, it's time to add shading and color. Start by shading the goldfish using darker tones on the underside of the body and fins to create depth. Finally, refine your drawing by adding highlights and additional details. And there you have it, a colorful goldfish in a bowl. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more drawing tutorials. Happy drawing and happy sketching.